We're going to learn how to find and replace text in Microsoft Word. There's certain situations where you'd like to locate every occurrence of a certain word in the document. Sometimes it takes forever to actually physically look for it. Using Find is a very quick way of finding every occurrence of that word in a document with minimal effort. In order to do that, you go to your Home tab and go to your Editing group, and you click on the icon Find. Now the shortcut for that is Ctrl+F. Then it brings up a navigation box or a task pane. And I'm going to now search for the word formulas. And I'm going to click Enter. So now it's going to bring up every occurrence of the word in the document. And how I navigate through that is I can click below on the bottom arrow or the top arrow. And when it is on the specific occurrence, it highlights the word in yellow as well as selects the text, as you will see there. Now if I've decided that I've incorrectly used the word formulas and I'd like to use the word functions, what I'm going to do then is use replace. So you go back to your Home tab, Editing group, and you click on Replace. I'm going to click on Replace with that box, and I'm going to write in functions. Now there are various options. You can find next, so you can find where the word formulas appears, and then you can decide whether you want to replace it. So you can go through the document individually. Once you've found it, then you can click on replace and it will replace just that word. But if you know that you definitely want to replace every single word, you can also click on replace all. And that is going to make all the replacements in that document. It's asking me here, do I want to continue searching from the beginning? And I'm going to click on yes, and that happens when you don't start replacing right at the top of the document. So I'm going to click on yes. And it says all done. We have made 50 replacements. So it tells you specifically how many replacements it's made. There's also a more button. I'm going to click on that. So it gives you more options. You can actually find according to a specific case. So if I wanted to look for the word formula, but I wanted just with a capital letter, I'm going to click on Find Next. And we'll see if we can find it in the document. And you will see that it's going to the document and it's finding the word formula just with a capital letter. I'm going to change this to formula without a capital letter. I'm going to click Find Next. And you'll see when it's clicked on the word formula, it does not have a capital letter in the front. The second most useful one is Find Whole Words Only. Because if I search for the word formula, let me go back to Find, it's going to find parts of the word as well. So the word form or part thereof. So if you just want to find the word formula and not words that form part thereof, you click on Find Whole Words Only. Find and Replace is an extremely useful function in Microsoft Word. It's also useful to learn the shortcut. As I said, it's Ctrl+F for find, and for replace, it's Ctrl+H. And that is how you find and replace in Microsoft Word.